Stormwater from runoff can carry litter, trash, and other debris over land and streets into water bodies or municipal water systems. The EPA has published guidelines and a new performance standards to control storm water runoff and discharge of pollutants from construction sites. To comply with EPA regulations, HANNA has introduced the HI98703 portable turbidity meter. To use the HI98703, simply calibrate using HANNA's unique CalCheck feature. Then pour your sample into the included cuvette, insert it into the instrument, close the lid, press the read button. It's that simple, and you have your results instantly. All measurements are stored and logged. Data can be downloaded to a PC using HANNA's optional window-compatible software through either USB or RS-232 connections. Another feature to track your log samples is our unique tag identification system. It allows you to place tags at multiple sample locations and store test results. The HI98703 is equipped with everything needed for portable turbidity testing. The meter includes a hard carrying case, calibration standards, and cuvettes. Go to HANNA's website at www.hannainst.com to get your HI98703 portable turbidity meter today.